Welcome to our channel. Activating a gift card at the store counter is typically done automatically during purchase, but understanding the process helps ensure smooth transactions. Step 1. Select the gift card you want to purchase from the gift card display at the retail store. Step 2. Bring the gift card to the checkout counter along with any other items you're purchasing. Step 3. Inform the cashier of the amount you'd like to load onto the gift card. Most cards have minimum and maximum load amounts. Step 4. The cashier will scan the gift card barcode to initiate the activation process in their point-of-sale system. Step 5. Confirm the load amount with the cashier before they complete the transaction. Step 6. Pay for the gift card using your preferred payment method, such as cash, credit card, or debit card. Step 7. Wait for the cashier to activate the card through their system. This happens automatically when the payment is processed. Step 8. The cashier will provide you with a receipt, showing the gift card balance and purchase details. Keep this receipt for your records. Step 9. Some stores may require you to sign the back of certain gift cards before leaving the counter. Step 10. Verify the gift card is active by checking the balance at the store's customer service desk or calling the number on the back of the card. Your gift card is now loaded and ready to use or give as a present. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel